In 2023, the world experienced its hottest year on record. Extreme heat wreaks havoc on everything, from people to your cell phone to the performance of your vehicle. Wouldn't it help to know the impact on your vehicle's electronics? Under normal conditions, silicon lifespan is a straightforward computation. Once shipped, a chip will start to degrade until it reaches end of life. But under extreme conditions, normal aging models don't apply. To understand the actual in-field performance and health of the 2,000 to 3,000 chips per modern vehicle, you need silicon lifecycle management, which provides insights into the aging, degradation, and remaining useful life of semiconductors. Synopsys uses sophisticated modeling and probabilistic silicon behavior analysis from state-of-the-art on-chip monitors to derive how we think a chip will perform in the field. We then predict its longevity based on its anticipated use case. The expected mission profile is that estimate. A typical vehicle mission profile can range around 10,000 hours, or about 10 to 15 years based on its use case. As the vehicle is driven, the expected lifetime changes based on the silicon performance and environmental factors, like temperature, driving behaviors, and hours of operation. So what happens to the chips inside a vehicle if they experience an extended time of increased heat? Applying the modeling to a chip in Phoenix, Arizona during last year's heat wave, it could have lost 10% more of its operational hours or life during the summer heat wave compared to a chip in a more temperate climate. But do we actually need to replace this chip? Temperature is only part of the story. Synopsys offers other on-chip monitors to gain additional insights. For example, path margin monitors are distributed around the chip to see delays occurring over time. They are tuned to alert when degradation is happening. If a device starts to drift, your silicon can send alerts for predictive maintenance or remediation. Silicon monitor data can be analyzed on-chip or sent to a fleet monitoring analytics dashboard for review. Alerts can be investigated, and degradation models can be refined and sent back to the silicon to extend the part's useful life. Predictive maintenance plans leveraging OTA updates or service calls can be developed across the fleet to prevent failures. This is key to reducing warranty and recall costs. To simplify the addition of silicon health analytics to your vehicle data collection and fleet diagnostics, Synopsys is working with AWS, the leading cloud provider, to develop solutions for automotive companies designing next-generation software-defined vehicle platforms. Synopsys Silicon Lifecycle Management Solution provides easy access to silicon health data and powerful analytics for greater insights to predict remaining useful life, identify and assess maintenance issues, enable OTA remediation, and prevent future silicon-related failures. For more information, schedule a demo.